she want? Water. No, water. Now the crew is feeding with daddy. Oh, see? Hi! My parrot always outside. He did not come in my house. Now you enter in my house. Huh? Now my husband is feeding this one. Next time he will bring monkey. Now this house monkey gorilla. Now eating. Drink water. Drink water. He's full now.